How?
I got aggro from the engineer.
Oh, sorry. Just focusing on the operator.
We're ready to pick up the bombs. Group on the left when the engineer dies.
Our engineer's dead. I'm picking up a bomb.
Good. That's a lot better.
Yep.
Yeah, you're ahead.
Fucking stop running.
Yeah, they're really annoying.
I got aggro from the engineer.
Yeah, I had to pick up one other dude.
Kill the bellows operators as soon as possible.
Okay.
Engineer's dead again. Blow that shit up.
Well, you're already done.
Oh, we're done. Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine.
You can already tank the ads at the middle of the room.
Yep.
Left side, we need one more bomb.
Oh, the right side, or the left side. He's engineer's dead, so go kill it.
Oh, what are you doing all the way over there?
Okay, all the ads to the middle.
Oh, that's bad timing.
Damn it.
Deal with it.
Okay, use healing cooldowns.
Got him out of the shields.
Yeah. I'll just take one operator for you. You tank the foreman this phase.
Yep.
First one to get fixated, always ready move your slag elements.
for the bomb.
Costume.
For the purple one first. Okay, it's like multi-dot everything, unless we're nuking one of the elementalists.
The elemental?
Okay,
Okay,
kill the
security guy
elementalist
up.
now. Kill the elementalist at purple.
Goodbye, fight.
Ik heb er nog geen op me.
Oh, zie hem.
After that we kill the firecallers and dot up everything that's alive.
Dan moet je even doorlopen.
Okay, that's one. Good. So kill the firecallers. There are two. They are on the next guy we're killing. Also, the security guard, dot them up, or dot them up.
Good job on the
kill
interrupts.
Slag elemental now. After this, okay, 20%. Okay, now it's single target nuke on the elementalist.
Infirm move out of the fire.
Ja, zo is goed.
One firecaller, two firecallers.
One on me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bring the
Try not
firecallers
to-
to the elementalist. Okay, nuke him. Just focus on the elementalist. Don't care about anything else.
Yeah, good.
Okay, this one will die, good. Okay, after this we dot up everything and kill the firecallers.
Okay, you guys from me.
dot up like everything.
Kill the fire car. It's like 10%.
Okay. Bring the elemental guy. Okay, we're killing Skull. You can still dot up everything
Security
right
guard.
now.
Yeah.
You can still dot up everything.
Prime elemental, let's go.
Okay, now we're gonna nuke the elementalist. Fire caller incoming from the right.
Fire caller on me.
Yeah, trying to.
No rush. Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, I got the stupid whirlwind thingy. Moving
Okay,
in.
after this guy, we're gonna bring everything together, cleave everything down before we kill the last guy.
Fire colors are on the raid, cleave and dive. Yeah. Oh, I can volatile.
Okay, so kill everything except just whatever. Just kill everything.
New security. That might.
Well, we're gonna kill the security guards as well. So bring them to us.
Kut, wat een fire.
Tom.
Ja, Koen moet het doen.
Okay, kill the security guards, kill everything. Just clump them all together. Just nuke whatever.
Fire colors are up.
If you're being fixated and you see your slag elemental on the edge, just interrupt it, please. So it will come here.
Yeah.
Feldspar is dead at least. Yeah, that's good. Oh, there's another guard.
Okay, let's all move to Nipple.
I think the slag elemental needs to go just a bit closer.
No, I don't. Nuke the last one. Nuke the last one.
New fire calls are up.
Yeah, tanking in here.
Got one on me.
Just mark it.
Can you? Yeah.
Got it.
Single target the other one. After this we're gonna kill the slag elementals. And we're gonna run to the back and we need a lot of healing.
I don't know how smart it is to focus the elementals, because they will res anyway.
Pak jij hem, Koen?
Elementals.
Yeah, they res.
The boss.
Kill the
yeah.
fire callers. Kill the fire callers, finish them. Stack on the... Stack on... Dial.
Go kill the security guard in case he drops his shield.
Yeah.
I've got two stacks. Can you taunt the boss?
Yeah, I've had one free.
We could do two, right?
Try it. Just don't when yours is gone.
Yep.
Okay, focus on the boss now. Just move. Move to the left. Move.
Do we have to move the boss a bit too?
Yeah. Move the
Yeah.
boss a bit. You can just move the boss a bit more. It's safer. The raid can just... Everyone in the raid stack on green. Go, go, go.
Nog 8 seconden.
They move it, move it, move it.
If melt is casting you, the ground fire will be spawning on you when the debuff
Oh, ik heb een
expires.
Koen. Of niet? Nee. Hè?
So try and stay in location as long as you can, then move away.
Ik heb er maar eentje.
Ja, dat- Ik heb er wel 3. Maar werken de stacks niet zo hoor.
Berserk.
Nee, werkt anders.
Berserk. Yeah, that's probably like 50% or something.
Nee, zo net kwam je ook al met je luchtval.
Okay, use your own cooldowns. Use the mage buff, the healing buff. Don't use it at the same time.
En
Okay,
dan
if
als je
the
kan.
mage has the buff, use it now.
I have little cooldown.
Ik geef jou een vigil zo.
We did it.
Good job.
Congrats, guys.
Good job, guys.
Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah, Tay gets the tier. Fuck that guy. Crossbow.
Roffel. Bonus legs, yay!
Nice, creds.
Yeah, maybe
Creds.
that's good.